guys, welcome back to Real Talk. So in today's video I'm going to be putting the FK8 Type R up against the M140i. Kind of know what's going to happen. Just want to put out there, I'm not oblivious to which car is going to be faster. It's not a question of what car is faster, it's a question of how much quicker is the M140 than the Type R. So let's see how it pans out. Obviously I'm rooting for the Type R, hopefully it doesn't get absolutely dicked. But without further ado, it's going to be an exciting one. Let's jump straight into the video. Before we do get started, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe button, and if you want your car featured on the channel, all the details will be below in the description of how to get in contact with myself.
In today's hot hatch marketplace, around £30,000 generally gives you plenty of options. Most are based around turbocharged 4-port engines with clever all-wheel drive systems, of course, but BMW did offer something a bit more special. BMW M140i. Don't be deceived by the wolf in sheepskin. Under the bonnet you'll find the glorious 3-litre straight-six engine, producing 340 brake horsepower and 500 newton meters of torque. Guess this, powered to the rear wheels, making this car an absolute joy, but animal to drive. Complemented with the car comes an amazing soundtrack, and this particular car has been fitted with the M Performance exhaust, which makes it sound absolutely beautiful. But how does it fare against the Type R? The new Honda Civic Type R FK8, something that's unlikely to be lost in a car park. The Civic Type R is one of those mad designs that either you'll love or you'll hate, but putting the looks aside, this car is absolutely tremendous. The Civic takes its 2-litre engine from its FK2 predecessor and in similar state to tune. Likewise, it gets the same excellent gear shift, but the new body is not only longer, it's wider, lower, as well as being lighter, adding to the magnificent drive of the new FK8 Civic. The Civic Type R doesn't feel like a hot hatch. It feels like a superbly engineered sports car that just happens to be front-wheel drive, making this one of the best front-wheel drive cars on sale today. The Civic Type R is renowned for its excellent handling, but how does it compare with its 2-litre 320 brake horsepower engine to the mighty M140?
Hey, so we are in the cars ready to go. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a 30 to 70, 20 to 70 and 10 to 70. It's not a question of which it's faster, it's a question of how much quicker is the M140 than this. So for all yous back in my corner, let's hope that we don't get dicked massively. Right, 30 mile an hour, music needs to be off as well, yeah? Right, 3, 2, 1, go! Oh. He's gone, he's gone! He's gone, he's gone, he's gone. We could do a standstill here if you wanted to. Right. Hold on, 3, 2, 1, go!
Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to
That was a standstill. Oh. When we go past the lights, here we go. 3, 2, 1, go! It's the gear changes. Think of 40, it'll be a bit closer. 3, 2, 1, go. Go. Oh, it's got unbelievable there, he's gone. Yours picks up really, really quick. Right, you've got to stay in second gear. I'm going to get absolutely dicked here. Right, you ready? Go. I misshifted!
So there you have it. Obviously I lost, wasn't by a great deal. To be fair, when the car picks up, there's not a massive difference between the two cars, and obviously we've just looked at one aspect, which is just straight line performance. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Take care.